Learning Python can be a quick and efficient process with the help of tools such as ChatGPT. Here are a few steps you can follow. Firstly, start by understanding the basics. Before you start coding, it's important to understand the basic concepts of Python such as variables, data types, loops, functions, etc. Secondly, get a good resource. There are many online resources available for learning Python, such as tutorials, video courses, and online classes. Choose a resource that is well-structured and easy to understand. Next phase is practice, practice, practice. The key to learning Python quickly is to practice coding. Try solving different problems, write small scripts, and practice the concepts you learned. Now it is a time to get feedback. Share your code with others and ask for feedback. This will help you improve your coding skills and avoid common mistakes. Finally, ask questions. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask questions. You can ask other Python developers, or use platforms like Stack Overflow to get answers to your questions. By following these steps, you can efficiently learn Python with the help of ChatGPT and other resources.